another record. You ready?
Let's set a record here.
The largest container ever from LocknLock. The largest container ever. 88 cups, extra, extra large. It should be extra, extra, extra large. Storage container with the double handles. Are you kidding me? They're sliding as well. Okay, so new this month, over 10,000 sold. Oh no, I'm sorry, I wrote it in wrong. I couldn't read it. Over 60,000
I was going to say,
sold.
I know it's more than that. Are you sure it's not 600,000?
Like, yeah, exactly. Over 60,000 sold on these. They're also collapsible. They've got a double handle. It's like the largest container they've ever had. All right, 18 by 11.5 by 9.5 inches, 88 cups. Let's do color, friends.
Yes, let's do the colors.
Here is
Can we
clear.
see it? Okay, I want to make sure that wasn't covering it.
Okay, here is clear. Here is red. Here's spearmint. I love that they're all color coordinated. So, you know, whatever color theme that you love.
Yeah.
Here's denim blue. Golden sand. You and I love golden sand.
Love it.
Here is forest green.
That's
always
new.
First to sell out, by the way.
By the way.
Fewer than 100 in forest green.
New platinum.
All right, brand new colors. Platinum. 250 left, and finally plumberry.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, I'm coming back.
250 in plumberry.
Okay.
Okay. I don't think they can see me anymore.
I was going to say, that's why I make the sides taller and then I leave it low for us because we're not tall. Okay. So anyway, these are great. You have the double handle on here.
That's good.
That collapses down. And the reason we did that was because we want you to be able to stack them just like you see all over this table.
Yeah.
Because that's what you're going to do with these. Because you know what? We all have stuff. Stuff. I mean, it's stuff, and there's
Whether
things that
you need
just.
stuff.
I was just going to say, Michael's agreeing. He's over here going, you know, it's right. Because we do. We have stuff we won't part with. We might not even need it. I mean, I know I have things in my attic, and every time I say to my husband, well, we'll just put it in the attic. I don't want to part with it. He's like, why, Janine? Why? It just sits up in the attic. You need to learn to part with things. And I'm like, I'm an emotional, sentimental hoarder, darling. I can't. My house, I'm very particular, but I hoard these sentimental things. I can't help it. Speaking of sentimental things, it could be the artwork that your children made in school. It could be your family photos.
Albums,
because to me, that's the one thing I would love to have the chance to grab if, God forbid, I ever needed to. Do you know what I mean? The family photos, right?
Don't even get me started on what just happened in California.
That's what I know.
And really, I just want to give another kind of shout out that we're thinking of all those who have been affected. But, you know, having something like this and having all your keepsakes, your important things. I mean, this is really making me think like, wow, I need a box
maybe
like
it's
this.
like a safety kit. Maybe it's that it's the 911 kit per se.
We all
things
talked
that you
about
just
this.
can't live without, right? And maybe every family member has one. Now, here's the thing. We still give you that seal, even on this. Like, you know, you can put food in these, by the way. You could do wings for the big game day. You could do
rice.
Fried chicken. You could do rice. You could do pasta salad. You could do a huge salad.
Airtight, really?
Watertight, airtight, BPA-free, dishwasher free. Well, then you're not getting this in the dishwasher or the microwave,
No,
obviously,
but my other containers are not watertight, airtight.
No, but this is, and that's why I tell you, your family heirlooms, the photos.
How about like
your
the
important
pantry stuff? Like
Yes.
It's going to keep everything in there fresher.
How about just like all of your important documents, right? Maybe it's your will and all of your paperwork. It could be so many different things that you just need. You need them.
So many different things.
And then you need to know where to find them. And now they have a house. And that's what I like about this. Okay, so we love that. You just lock in the freshness. So whatever you're putting in here, this is where you will house all of your big bulk box store items, right? So like you said, your rice. Over here on this side, sorry to make you move over, we have the K cups in here. So it could be your K cups.
And look how much
it could be your coffee. Let me get that one. Let me get that one.
88 cups. I love that it has the double handle because you could put some heavy things in there. Yeah.
Okay. So you've got coffee in here. You have your ground coffee. You've got, you know, your creamers in here. You have all the things that you don't have room on the shelves in the pantry.
Emergency kit.
You have this. There you go. I love that. You want to do colors?
Yeah, let's do colors real quick.
Okay,
but
let me get out of your
really
way.
have to say, what makes this one so special is that it's airtight, watertight, just like any of your other LocknLocks. That means you're going to be able to put food.
Yeah,
like
and it has
food
wheels
in
on
here.
one end, which we'll show in a
And
second.
it's got the wheels as well.
See
All right,
that
here we go.
right there?
Colors real quick. Here's clear. Then we have red. 100 sold already. Spearmint. Denim blue. We've got golden sand, always popular, always sells out. Here is forest green. 2 dozen left in forest green. Limited Here is platinum, starting to get. And then we also have plumberry. All right, friend, it even has wheels.
Yeah, so it even has wheels on one side.
So smart.
So that you can roll it back and forth.
I would
So
love to
that
put
means
in my
you just
pantry.
pick up one of the handles and you roll. So if you need to go somewhere and you don't want to pick it up, maybe it's a little too heavy for you.
It will be
roll
with
it.
88
Yeah,
cups.
roll it if you need to.
Yeah.
So in this one, we have all the snacks, all those things that you'll buy. Maybe it's good for your kid. You have a kid in college?
Dorm room.
Dorm room. I'm serious. This is so
This
good
could be
for a
an
dorm room.
extra cupboard,
I mean,
by
the
the way.
mac and cheese for the dorm room. The cookies. This is a care package that you could send to somebody. This is a gift that you could give, which is really wonderful.
And a usable container.
And then yes, exactly. Then when they're done with the container, you know, they have it if they want to put some laundry in here, if they want to just, no, really though, and they can,
It's
if they
so
just have a
useful
small
for so many
load, like
things.
they can
No,
take
it's
it with
absolutely
them.
true.
So that's something I love. Down
love
at the
the
bottom in
rolling.
this one, I have the ice melts because we're getting bad weather all the time, it seems like lately, because it's winter. So this is the snow and ice melt. So that's your salt right in there. Keep it in here.
Garage, kitchen,
Scoop it out when you
pantry,
need it.
dorm.
Oh my God, A to Z,
Kids
soup to
room,
nuts, every
crafts
room in the
room.
house.
Yep.
Exactly. And then craft, where's, here
That's
it
a
is,
craft,
right here.
yep.
So here's your yarn. If you do knitting, if you do crafting, you could have all of your crafting materials in here.
Ooh, I could
you
put
could
my
have all the
Cricut stuff in
paper,
there.
the Cricut stuff.
Yeah.
You know, the stickers, if you're like my little ones love the stickers. We have all the colored pencils, tons of markers and crayons and paper in one at our house. We have Legos in it. We have all the building blocks. We have all the little
You could think of millions of things to use this for.
action
truly.
heroes in
Yeah,
one, you
yeah.
know, the baby doll clothes in the other. And then, you know, in this one, you just have
a whole party.
Yeah, it's a whole party kit.
Yeah.
So you have
That'd be
everything
great in
done
the
for a
garage,
party.
yeah.
You've got the plates, the tablecloths. I just love it. I think these are so wonderful. The ideas are truly limitless.
Okay, over 300 picked up. People are picking up more than one because they are also stackable. This
Yep.
is new this month and over 60,000 sold. This is LocknLock's. Can we say da-da-da-da-da-da-da?
Yes.
Largest container ever. You are looking at it right here. Extra, extra large. We've got a couple colors. Here we go.
Yeah.
We have it in clear.
Yeah.
Here is the red. Don't forget, they're airtight, watertight. I love that.
BPA
you can,
free.
BPA free, so
Yep.
you can put only food in here if you'd
Yeah.
like. I mean, you can't do that with the other
Right.
containers.
These aren't going
That's
to go
why
in
my
your
mind is
dishwasher,
blown.
and they're not going to go in your microwave. But if you have a deep chest freezer, I could get this in mine.
You could put
Yeah.
food in here
Yeah,
and you would
totally.
be completely safe.
You could put ice in here.
Here is ice chest.
There you go.
Yeah, here we go. Spearmint. All right, red. We have spearmint, denim blue, golden sand always goes first. Golden
Yes.
sand.
Yes, yes.
Here is forest green. Last call on forest green. This will sell out.
Beautiful.
Here is platinum. This is a beautiful color.
Yeah, I
platinum,
love
right?
that. I
Is this
do.
like a new color?
It is. That and the forest green for
these
2025.
are- Thank you, 2025. And then finally we
Gosh,
have plumberry.
We're already
All
a
right,
month into
store
2025.
and stack
I know.
wheels.
I know Chance, our producer.
Yeah,
is that
yeah.
Chance up there?
Yes, it's Chance.
I know you're going to love this, Chance. Ready, babe? Ready? Ready? The tailgate, you know? I mean, we just might
He's
have.
literally saying yeah. So I'll
We
give
just
chances.
might be showing one of the teams in the Super Bowl. I'm just saying, all of us around
We're
these
not
parts
biased
here,
here.
we're a little bit biased. But anyway, but seriously, your favorite team, if you're going to see your kids play, if it's a gift for somebody, this is what you do. Put a bow around it, put the lid on the bottom so that all of the goodies can
Tailgate,
stick
put
out.
it in your minivan.
Put it,
put it in
yeah,
your trunk.
get the chips.
Yeah.
You know, all of the things you'll need for the tailgate. You could get packs of hot dogs and burgers in here. You get the buns in here. Bring it all in here,
Yes.
and then put it on the grill when you get to the tailgate. I love the people that are so dedicated to the tailgate. I think it's fantastic.
Okay, I love that this is airtight, watertight. So
Yeah.
all the chips that I'm going to put in there,
Oh my
I don't
gosh.
have to put like another chip
Huge
bag.
snack
It is
mix.
airtight, watertight.
Yes.
Let's just repeat that again.
Your extra
right?
linens, your extra tablecloths,
that
seasonally
extra
done,
emergency
right?
kits.
So
Oh,
this
I love
is
that.
like, you know, your Valentine's tablecloths. On the bottom, we have, if you want to donate, I'm just going to move this red one over here. So maybe you want to donate some hats, gloves, and scarves, or just clothes.
Yeah.
Or maybe this is where you put everything that doesn't fit, and then once you get it full, you donate it. So that's nice too. Maybe it's just some
How
extra
about this?
clothes you put in here,
I was
right?
going to
'Cause
say,
you don't have a big closet.
Girl, you know what this is? And look at how big it it is, 88 cups.
Yeah.
This is an extra cupboard for you, an
Yeah,
extra drawer
88
in your
cups.
closet. You know what I mean?
Let me
Yeah.
just quickly say that
Yeah.
it's not so cumbersome
It also has a
that you can't handle
roller,
it now, which
But
is
one
nice.
more time. Here is
Yeah, go
clear.
ahead.
Here is red, spearmint, denim blue, golden sand. Don't forget to get that. That goes away. Forest green will sell out. There's only a few left. Platinum and plumberry. Oh my goodness. Always
Nancy,
with you.
it's
I
always
love
so
you
fast, my
much.
dear. She's great. Love
All
her.
right, love
Thank
you,
you
love
all
you.
so
Get some
very,
sleep.
very much.
All right, stick around for Quacker Factory. This outfit right here, some bling bling.
It's adorable.